Danke bafethu, sokunama-room amaningi alinka uPitso Mosimane laphana ucoach omkhulu wase-South Africa njengoba engenamsebenzi yabo. Sokuvele-ke ama-reports laphana e-Egypt njengoba iZamalek laphana kubonakala ngathi ayina-coach noma bazoletha ucoach omusha. Kuvela ama-reports-ke laphana ukuthi owayewumdlali laphana uthi akulethwa uPitso Mosimane. Uthi uPitso Mosimane uhlonishwa kakhulu ebholeni lase-Egypt nanokuthi waba successful kakhulu laphana ku-Al Ahly ewina ama-CAF Champions League awu-2. Experience kaPitso Mosimane-ke singayi-tracer back to iMamelodi Sundowns, SuperSport United nanokuthi uke wasebenza behind the scenes laphana kuBafana Bafana. So akusiyo kuphela i-team mhlampe engathi ingambheka uPitso Mosimane laphana, maningi kakhulu ama-team angabheka uPitso Mosimane yabo. In recent weeks or months njengoba uJose Rivero laphana we-Orlando Pirates wa-announce ukuthi uyahamba, igama lakaPitso Mosimane liku-mix laphana ku-Orlando Pirates ukuthi anga-take over naye, but-ke the biggest concern ukuthi imali kaPitso Mosimane vele uzodura for ibhola lase-South Africa. I-team maybe engam-afford iMamelodi Sundowns ngoba financial muscles wangempela, but Orlando Pirates yona inayo imali yesukuthi ingakhona ukumbhadala, but bane-standard sabo ukuthi hayi i-coach ngeke siyibhadale imali engaka. And uPitso Mosimane akezi yedwa, uza nabantu mhlawumbe abawu-5 ababa yi-technical team yakhe abasebenzisana naye yabo. So uzodura kakhulu uPitso Mosimane for i-Orlando Pirates, but-ke let's wait and see ukuthi uPitso Mosimane uyogcina coach eyiphi team ngoba experience yakhe ngempela inkulu kakhulu from all over the world. Ucoach e-South Africa, ucoach e-Egypt, wacoach e-Saudi Arabia, wacoach e-Iran. So experience yakhe nje all over emhlabeni laphana. Ucoach wase-South Africa highly respected. So bona ukuthi yena uzodecide, and because naye mayebuzwa ku-interview about Orlando Pirates uthe why not yabo. Uyasho ukuthi nje i-offer mayi-right nanokuthi i-project i-align to mhlawumbe ama-beliefs wakhe, naye-ke angayithatha leyo project leyo yabo. U-free just yena ubhizi nje ngezinto zebhola nanokuthi asize labafana laba basema-high school about i-development nanokuthi-ke bangashape kanjani ama-future wabo nama-careers if like bazoba sebholeni. So it remains to be seen ukuthi uPitso Mosimane uzoyaphi ngempela njengoba anganamsebenzi, senesikhathi ahleli engenawo umsebenzi, kaze iZamalek izokwazi ukumthatha uPitso Mosimane. Noma-ke ama-rumors maningi, uze ubhekwe namanye ama-team vele wase-North Africa, akusiyi-team eyodwa, maningi a-few laba alinkwa khona noPitso Mosimane, but into abakhala ngayo abantu abaningi ukuthi uPitso Mosimane uyabiza yabo, yiyo inkinga enkulu. Now uKaizer Chiefs lapho coach nabo uneyinkinga eziningi, ama-rumors kuthi ucoach nabo uyahamba uyahlala. uPitso Mosimane-ke kunama-links futhi amlinka to i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi angaba ucoach we-Kaizer Chiefs, given a great platform yokuthi abe ucoach we-Kaizer Chiefs ne-support structure around yena yabo. So naye-ke akakuruli out ukuthi angaba yi-coach yaku-PSL, uthi as long as i-project nje right. Sikhumbule ukuthi Orlando Pirates yaku-CAF Champions League this season, Kaizer Chiefs yaku-CAF Confederations Cup. uPitso Mosimane une-experience enkulu e-Africa ukuthi uwina kanjani. Danko bafuthu.